In this video, I'll show you how to fix this error called not registered on network. If you're frequently getting this error while trying to call someone on the Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's how we actually can fix this problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, before you do anything, the very simple thing that you can do, swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And go ahead and turn this option off. This will actually slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. And right after that, you just need to check out some of the important settings. Open up the settings app from your Samsung phone and then go and tap on the connection, the first option. And from the connection, you just need to tap on mobile networks. And inside this one, first thing first, go ahead and select the network mode. And if it's selected with the 3G or only 3G, you can select the LTE, 3G or 2G, the first option. You just need to make sure that you have selected that one. And then go and tap on network operators. This is the most important one. If you see the select automatic is disabled, you just need to enable this feature first. And once you've done that, just get back from here and restart your Samsung phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.